girl, Star Afrique, back on your screen. So today we are making abacha. So today's recipe is kind of different from the last abacha video I did. Check the link above. Today's abacha is going to be done not with potash, but something that can replace potash, which is our irengo. This is called irengo in my dialect. So we have irengo, we have this is called manwe keteke in my dialect. It's a special kind of oil for making abacha. We have our abacha here, the ogakpatakpata here. We have our crayfish. This is called Odudu. This is called Odudu. It's like beans, but it's not beans, but it's in the beans family. We have our onions, we have our pepper, we have our Bonga fish, we have our Kpomo, this is called Ehuru. I also used it in my last abacha video. This is called Ehuru, also called calabash nutmeg. This is our stockfish, just a little of stockfish. Then this is Ogiri. Then this is Ugba. I'll open it to show you what it looks like. This is actually optional. It's not a must to use it in your abacha, but I love to use it. This is what it looks like. This is Ugba. It's also called Obaka, Oba or Obaka. Okay. Then I have my garden eggs. I have my garden egg leaf here. So this is the seed. This is the leaf. In case you don't know what this looks like, you've not seen garden egg leaf before, this is what it looks like. Yes. So I'm going to use it in this abacha today. Then I have my salt and my seasoning cubes. Okay, so that's pretty much everything we need for this abacha today. You know what this abacha is going to taste like? Oh my god, abacha abiozo. And just in case you don't know, my last abacha video has about 30,000 views. Please go and watch that video and come and watch this one, okay?
So the first thing we're going to do is soak this abacha in cold water for about 10 to 15 minutes before we go ahead to prepare other ingredients for this delicacy. Okay,
I'm done destalking the leaves. I'm just going to go ahead and wash it. So I just sliced my I'm going to go ahead to wash it. Let's add some water to this Bonga fish just to soften it. I don't want it to be too hot. These are the seasoning cubes I'm going to use for this abacha. So I like to cook it inside this so I don't get to eat it raw. Okay, and then add some salt. Add a little water.
So the first thing to add in your pot is the irengo. Make sure not to add too much because it can purge you if it's too much, just a little. But then depending on the quantity of abacha you're making. Then after that, we go ahead to add our manwe keteke. You still add a little quantity depending, okay? And then you mix everything together.
So you keep stirring, you keep stirring, you keep stirring until it keeps getting thicker. So I think I want to add a little more of the manu eketeke. So yeah, this is the consistency I want. I've gotten the consistency I want at this point, so I'll proceed to add other things to this. Okay. All right. Okay. So next, I am going to add my crayfish. Add my ehuru. Then I'll add my pepper. Give me a spoon. So I'm going to add this pepper bit by bit. Okay. Then turn it. So next thing I'm going to add is my Bonga fish with the water, okay? So next thing to add is our garden egg. So now I'm going to add my abacha. So next thing to add is the Ugba. We're going to add our Odudu, okay? So I almost forgot to add our Ogiri. So I'm going to add very little Ogiri here. Okay. So I'm going to mix it in water. Put all the pepper because it needs some more pepper. She's bright or not the violet?
Yes.
Everything together. Oh my god. Hi god bro. Oh Chineke. Chineke. Abacha abioz. This is what this is called, you know. Abacha abioz. So this is the point I put my onion. I love a lot of onion in my abacha. I just love lots of onion, okay? No, Abacha, because so this is the point I add more salt. Remember, I used salt to cook my Ugba and my Ugba, right? So now I'm adding more salt to the Abacha. Then I'll add my leaves. This is nice, guys. You need to try this, okay? This is so nice. This is so nice, guys. You need to try this, okay? Very rich and delicious Abacha.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! So sweet!
Have you had this time before?
Of course, no. No!
Never. You need to come and taste this. Come and taste it, okay? Alright, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking by, okay? And see you in my next one.
Bye!
Bye-bye!